Hello all, welcome to another quick learning. Today we're going back to CodeSignal to work on the Python coding exercises. So if you're joining this in the middle of the playlist, I'll go ahead and put a link down below in the description so you can start from the first video if you wish. Otherwise I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to Arcade, and then we're going down to the Python exercises here. So we're still in this first section, and we're left off here on 5, count bits. So implement a function that, given an integer n, uses a specific method on it and returns a number of bits in its binary representation. In this task and most of the following tasks, you'll be given a code snippet with some part of it replaced by ellipsis, which is just the three dots here. Only this part is allowed to be changed, so just this part here. For n equals 50, the output should be 6. So here you've got 50, and then this is the binary representation of 50. This 10 means this is 50 in base 10, which is the normal numbering system we're all familiar with. And this is the binary representation with a base 2. A number that consists of 6 digits, thus the output should be 6. Okay. So we just have to find one function, but I actually want to explain to you guys kind of binary if you're not familiar. If you are, you can kind of just skip until the end. But so if you use the bin function, that will convert a integer into a binary in Python. So let's say, let's start with an easy one, 2. So 2, you can ignore this 0b, that just means it's bits. So in binary, 2 is 1, 0. Actually, let's go ahead and look at 1 first. So 1 is just 1. So just like in the base 10 numbering system, you've got 0 through 9, and then they add another number to get to 10, and they start with 1, etc. So here you start with 1, and then to get to 2, you increase this to the left of the first digit a 1, and you put a 0 here. So then when we get to 3, all we do is we increase this first digit to 1. So it's going to be 1, 1. So we go bin 3, 1, 1. Now if we want to get to 4, we're going to add another place to the left of this. It's going to be 1, and then these are going to be 0, 0. Just like when you go from 99 to 100, you got 1, 0, 0. There we go. And then if we wanted to go to 5, you just add a number here at the first place, 1, 0, 1. And to get to 6, then that would be 1, 1, 0, because you would try to add the 1 here. Since that flips it over to a 0, you add that to this place instead. So that's how binary kind of works. So all they want to know is for 6, they want to know the number of digits here, so that would be 3. It would return 3 for that, 6. So the function for this is just bit length. So n.bit length, and then we just run it, and I get an error. Whoops, I spelled it wrong. That's why. So bit length. Length means a G in it. So if we just look at some of these test cases, so 1, there's just 1 digit. The binary is just 1. Let's look at this. So 28. So there's 28 binary digits in this big number here. And there's 30 in this one. So I don't want to try and figure out what the binary is for that. We could open the Python console and look at it. But so this has 9 digits of binary. All right, so that's the answer. Hope you guys learned a little bit about binary base 2 number system, and you'll join me for future videos. Thank you very much.